While we have seen expensive apps on Quest's official App Lab store that aren't listed, almost all of them are some sort of medical or training app that aren't intended for the general public. So when the XR Manga North Star app was the third most expensive app on the App Lab, we all thought it was some kind of bug or maybe even a scam. But in reality, it turns out to be a completely legitimate and quite interesting offer. In today's video, we're going to discuss a $145 manga app. The $145 VR manga app on Quest is a better deal than it seems. Let's check out. So, without any further ado, let's get started. While we have seen a handful of read comics or manga in VR apps in the past, XR Manga Fist of the North Star is not a general-purpose reading app, but rather a complete digital VR collection of one of the best-selling manga. The all-time series, Fist of the North Star, originally aired from 1983 to 1988. Developer Media Doe claims that XR Manga Fist of the North Star includes 18 volumes containing everything in the 27 volumes of the standard editions of the manga series, along with bonus episode written by Tetsuo Hara, the illustrator of the series. Similar to what you'd pay for the corresponding physical Fist of the North Star collections, this VR version packs a surprising amount of bonus features and content suited to mega fans of the series. First, the developer claims that the scanned images are from the original graphics and are presented at a resolution that is much higher than the version printed. Given the age of the manga, the original artwork is hand-drawn, shaded, and painted, with the developers claiming that no matter how zoomed the image is, Tetsuo Hara's brushstrokes are clearly rendered. While Quest 2 definitely lacks the resolutions to fix all those details at arm's length, if you zoom in on the face, you should be able to see the full extent of the details. On top of that, this VR version of Fist of the North Star has immersive backgrounds that match the story and change as you progress through the chapters. It's great, and maybe even expected from a VR manga app. But XR Manga Fist of the North Star takes it a couple of steps further. Also included in the app are two digital figures of the characters Kenshiro and Yuria, which the reader can pose. Also, you can change the background and add speech bubbles and text to create your own little scene. Then, use an in-app camera tool to capture the scenes as if you were creating your own manga panel. And this is the part wherein a commercial they would say, but wait, there's more. XR Manga Fist of the North Star also includes a minigame that allows players to take on the role of the main character Kenshiro and perform some typical manga actions. So for the price of $145, you get the entire manga and some great digital extras. For mega fans of the series, I'd say it's actually a pretty good deal. For one thing, as innovative as having engaging backgrounds can be, it's not really that comfortable to read in a VR headset. Will you really read 18 volumes in virtual reality? Sure, maybe we'll have lighter, more comfortable headphones in the future, but that raises another important question. If you are planning on spending $145 on the digital collections, what are the odds that 10 years from now it will still be affordable on headphones? Modern? To reassure customers, it would be great if the purchase of the XR Manga Fist of the North Star also included a digital download of the manga images so that users can back them up for themselves and make sure they are always available, accessible, or even read them out of VR if they wish. In any case, XR Manga Fist of the North Star is certainly interesting when it comes to virtual reality applications. Is it a specific novelty or a taste of what's to come? There are a handful of great apps that allows you to read manga and comics in virtual reality. Here are some of them. SphereTune VR Comic. SphereTune is more than just reading a book in virtual reality. The app immerses you in the scenes with 3D VR images, sounds, background music, and even a little interactivity. It's more like an immersive narrative experience than reading in VR. There are currently only 8 really short stories, but the quality is excellent and I highly recommend them, even for non-comic fans. Tales of Wedding Rings VR. Based on the manga romantic comedy, Tales of Wedding Rings VR is a fantastic concept for virtual reality manga. It allows the reader to enter the book page and experience what it is like to be within the manga world. The presentation is great, but the game is extremely short, around 30 minutes. If you are interested in the concept, I recommend that you wait for a sale before picking it up. Tales of Wedding Rings is only available on the Rift Store and Steam Store. To play on the Oculus Quest, you'll need a VR-ready PC and an Oculus Link or AirLink cable. Immersion VR Reader. The Immersion VR Reader allows you to open PDF files on your Oculus Quest and read them in one of many immersive environments, making it a solid manga reader for virtual reality. It also contains a music player to make the experience 10 times more impressive. Some people use this feature to listen to audiobooks. Fist of the North Star XR Manga. If you're into anime, you have probably heard of the Omae wa mo shinderu meme, also known as "You are already dead." It comes from this manga, Fist of the North Star. You can read this manga on Oculus Quest. It comes with custom environments for each scenes, as well as ambient sounds. Manual tracking is supported, so you can turn pages with your bare hand instead of holding a controller for hours. Kaminavi VR. Developed by the same company as the previous one, Kaminavi VR is a platform for reading Japanese manga and comics. It has background sounds and lets you switch between settings for a relaxing experience. Tell us in the comment section your view on this topic. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you like watching our content, please consider subscribing to our channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.